Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screw on the side cover and slide it off the system. Identify the hard drive and unlatch it from the system. Find the wireless module and remove the screw. Unlatch and remove the cables to remove the module. To reinstall the wireless module, align the notch with the tab and place it back in the system. Connect the black cable to AUX and the white cable to main. Latch and secure the module with the screw. Place the hard drive back on the system and slide it into place. Secure the side cover of the system with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.